Hello everyone, I'm today's host Brian, and today I'm going to introduce our Grand Series storage server barebone system. And this is our agenda. We will talk about application first and our product features, and we will demonstrate our Grand Series product. And today, the more and more mobile devices, such as mobile phone, connected car, wearable devices, and cameras, the amount of data is increasing rapidly. So the IDC estimated that in 2025 we will reach 160 zettabytes of data. And today we just have 30 zettabytes in 2018. And what is 30 zettabytes? The largest hard drive today is 10 terabytes. And 30 zettabytes, we need 3 billion hard drives for store all data today. It's a very huge amount. And in 2025, we have 5 times today. So the requirement of storage device is very huge. So we launched a Grand Series product for the demand. And we just mentioned a lot of mobile devices appeared. So we have mentioned a new trend, edge computing. In a traditional cloud computing architecture, we have to upload the data to the cloud for computing or storage, and download the result to show in our devices. And the data is growing rapidly, so the network is becoming a bottleneck. So the edge computing is appeared. We use a regional, high-speed regional network for transmission data to the edge server, and we can compute the data in edge server or storage name, and we can show the result in real time. And then we can upload the data to the cloud center for storage or next step computing. And where we can apply our application, we can divide the 3 parts. First is SOHO customer, and small medium business, and enterprise. And SOHO customer maybe lower users and the lower workload, we can use an enter level of product. And in small medium business, the more users and the more workload, we need a higher level of server for application. In enterprise customer, there are a lot of users and a huge workload, so they need a high level server for handling data and computing. And this is our 4th series product. We can divide in 2 parts, Intel and AMD, from entry to high level. Intel, we have Grand Aero, and Grand BDE, and Grand C610. And AMD, we have a Grand SE and a Grand NF. And it depends on your application. We can choose our server from entry level to high level. Okay. And this is our key features. In Intel side, the high level we use Xeon E5-2600 family CPU, and the maximum capacity can reach 208 terabytes. And in medium high, we use Xeon Z series CPU with 168 terabytes. And entry level, we use Celeron J3455 with 144 terabyte capacity. And in medium and high level, we can support SAS signal for hard drives. And entry level, we use SATA signal for hard drives. In AMD, we have medium and entry level. And medium level, we use R series SoC CPU and with 192 terabytes capacity. And entry level, we use G series CPU with 144 terabyte capacity. And in AMD product line, we support SATA signal for hard drives. And if you need more capacity, we can support storage expansion. We have two ways to expand the storage. First is SAS expansion card and USB 3.0. And in medium to high level server, we can support SAS expansion card. And in entry level, we support USB 3.0. Via SAS expansion card, the capacity can be reached 1 petabyte after expansion, and the USB 3.0 we can expand to 200 terabytes after terabytes. It can depend on your needs. And hardware part, we also support high-speed network expansion. And in 1G network, we already built it on board for all series. And if you need more network ports, you can get an expansion card for your needs. And 10G, we have two types of expansion card. First is twist pair, RJ45, and optical fiber SFP plus. And all our series support the 10G network. And 40G is more higher application, so we support in medium and high level machines. Okay, then software part, all our servers support software RAID. Software RAID is using CPU resources for computing RAID functions, and in software RAID you don't need to get extra hardware, so you can save your cost. And hardware RAID, they have to get an extra RAID card and use the RAID expansion for computing RAID functions. And you don't need CPU resources, but you need get one extra hardware. And virtualization can increase IT agility, flexibility, and scalability while creating significant cost savings. And server virtualization enables multiple operating systems to run on a single physical server. And think about it, if you just use one operating system on one server, it maybe just use 10 to 20% of the resource. And if you use 5 operating systems in one physical server, you can reach 100% of resource. So you can reduce capital and operating cost. And if you want to move your operating system to a new machine or to other server, you can just copy and move to the other servers, and it can increase the IT productivity and the efficiency. And so our all servers can support common used software like Citrix, VMware, and the Windows Server. Okay, let's demonstrate our product now. Okay, you can see now it's our Grand Series SE model with a 12-bay hard drive slot, and we are powered on now. You can see the LED inductor are light on continuously. In right hand side is our power button and the system status LED inductor. Okay, let's see the I/O in the back. Okay, let's see the back side. This model we support redundant power. And the I/O port, we have 4 giga port and 4 USB, 2 for USB 3.0 and 2 for USB 2.0. Okay, our server is powered on already, and today our demonstration will demo the RAID 10 and RAID 5 setting. And now we start setting a RAID 1.0. And first we type the managed storage space. Storage space. Click, and we can create a pool here. And here we can see we have 11 disks here because we have 12 disks in our system and 1 for our operating system. So now we choose 4 disks for the RAID 1. Okay, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we create a pool. And we can see 4 disks, total is 14 terabyte, and for RAID 1 we have 7 terabyte here. Create. Okay, now we complete one RAID 1 setup, and now we set up another RAID 1. And here we also choose 4 disks for RAID 1. Create. Okay, let's see the disk management. We total have 11 disks, and now we have just 5 disks, and 3 is unallocated, and 2 we just set up the 2 RAID 1 here, and now we create a RAID 0. Now first we delete the volume first. Delete. And then we set up a new stripped volume. And here we can see the disk 12 here, and we choose disk 13 and to add. You can see the 15 terabytes. Let's wait. And now the RAID 1.0 is complete. So let's see, we use 8 disks to create a RAID 1.0, so the total value is 14.5 terabytes. Okay, now let's set RAID 5. The same, create a new pool here, and now we have less 3 disks here, and let's create pool. And RAID 5 we have to the minimal disk we have to choose 3. And here we use parity. Now we can see the total value here is 10.9, and the RAID 5 we have 2 disks value here, so it's we can use 7 terabyte here and create. Okay, it's finished. So let's see here. We have RAID 5 is complete, and it's 7.2 terabyte here, and we have also 14.5 terabyte for RAID 1.0 here. Okay, after our demonstration, let's summarize today's features. And first, all series supporting software RAID, and network part, our series are supporting 10G network expansion. And medium to high level, we can also support 40G expansion card. And bar storage, we can expand via SAS expansion card or USB 3.0 connectors. And virtualization, we can support VMware, Citrix, and Windows Server. And one additional, not all products support video output, such as Grand VDE, Grand NF, and Grand SE. If you are installing some operating system, you have to get a low-profile video card first. Okay, it's our introduction today. If you have any question, please scan the QR code, connect us, and we will reply you soon. Thank you.